Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, here to take you through today's market action. So let's take a look at where markets closed to end Monday. The S&P 500 and the Dow both ended less than 0.5% higher, while the Russell 2000 closed up 1% and the NASDAQ 100 was slightly lower. Now taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the day, 6 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors ended in the green, with industrials up 0.9% and energy up more than 0.6%. Materials was also higher. The biggest losers, however, were communication services, utilities, and healthcare. Looking at some stocks on the move, chip stocks, including Micron and Western Digital, rallied on news of Samsung cutting memory chip production. A Citi analyst says Micron is uniquely situated for a DRAM recovery. Samsung is roughly half of the DRAM market, and a production cut would be a huge opportunity for other DRAM producers like Micron. Micron and Western Digital both rose around 8%. Pioneer Natural Resources closed more than 6% higher after a Wall Street Journal report that the energy company has been in talks with Exxon Mobile over a possible takeover. The report says that discussions have been informal and that Exxon is looking to possibly expand its Texas footprint. Together, both companies would become the largest producer in the Permian Basin. Exxon Mobile shares closed down less than 0.5%. And Tesla also closed lower after announcing further price cuts to its U.S. lineup, with the biggest cut over $5,000 for its most expensive Model S and Model X. The company shaved $2,000 off the price of the Model Y. The Model 3 and the Model Y purchasers will remain eligible for a U.S. tax break. Let's look at what to watch for this week. On Tuesday, the NFIB Small Business Index and WASD reports are released. On Wednesday, we'll get the March CPI report, and the minutes from last month's FOMC meeting are released. But later in the week, PPI, retail sales, and consumer sentiment will be out. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, and remember to tune in 24/7 to TDAmeritradenetwork.com.